Hi, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi 7A and I'm gonna show you how to add and remove the Google account on this device. First we need to open the settings, and to do so just tap this icon right here. Now let's scroll down and tap on the sync. Here tap on add account and select Google. Now let's tap right here and enter the email address. Then tap next. Now we need to enter the password, so give me a few seconds. Then tap next. Here tap on I agree. Tap on more and then accept. Let's go back. And right here we have a Google account. Let's tap on it. Oh, my bad. Here. As you can see, our account was added. To remove it, you need to tap on it right here in this menu, sync menu. Then tap on more, select remove account, and then tap on remove account again. And as you can see, the account was removed. And that's how you add and remove the Google account on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.